Hey everyone, I'm Kevin with Victory 4x4. In this video we're going to be installing our center console MOLLE panel in this 2024 GMC Canyon. Now these are going to be sold in pairs, so you do need to kind of pay close attention here and figure out your left and right side. Here I have the right or passenger side. Easiest way to tell is to line up the contour in the panel with the contour down here on the lower plastic portion of the center console, as well as pay attention to the logo cutout, which is going to go toward the rear. Now in that logo cutout, you'll be installing the small stainless Victory logo by sliding it in on the back side of the panel and lining up the pre-installed nuts with the mounting holes. And then we provide you small stainless screws for these that you can go ahead and start by hand, and then grab a 16th Allen key to thread those in and tighten them up. With the logo installed, we can now line this up and mark out the 4 mounting holes. So it's going to be the smaller round holes on the outside corners of the panel. For that, we typically just use a sharp prick point punch at each location. That usually makes a nice mark in the plastic that we can kind of use as a guide or pilot for our sharp point coarse thread screws to get those started and threaded in. So for that, you just got to line up the contour of the panel with the contour of the plastic down here, as well as make sure that it's nice and parallel to the upper trim, and that all 4 mounting fastener locations are on a nice flat portion of the plastic. And once you're happy with that, reach in there and, holding the panel as steady as possible, mark out all 4 holes. With those marked out, you now need to locate the correct hardware for the panel. So we do provide you a shorter and a longer screw. The 2 longer screws are going to go in the rear, leaving the 2 shorter screws to go for the front, as well as kind of correlating spacers there. So shorter and longer spacers to go with the shorter and longer screws. Once you have that sorted out, you can start with 1 or 2 of your fasteners and kind of pre-install them on the panel, and then hang that whole assembly and start these one at a time into the plastic center console. Once you have all 4 started, you can work your way around with your Phillips screwdriver and tighten up all 4. Just being a little bit cautious since you are going into a plastic panel here, so just keep that in mind so that you don't over tighten any fasteners. And then you can repeat this process over on the other side. Once you have both of those installed, your installation is complete. If you guys have any questions about that or anything else we offer here at Victory 4x4, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can always send us an email at info@victory4x4.com or call us at 269-459-8447.